Hello everyone! Welcome back to my construction vlog channel. Today, I'll continue sharing the progress of the house construction you've been following. Here is the overall 3D perspective of the house. Looking at it, we can visualize the entire space, from the floor plan layout and number of floors to the external architectural form. In the previous episode, we looked at the process of building a part of the walls on the second floor. Today, we'll continue with the wall construction for the second floor. Let's get started. Look, the bricks and mortar are ready. Everything is set for an efficient day of construction. The workers begin working enthusiastically, placing each brick carefully, and everything progresses very smoothly. Mortar is continuously transported close to the wall being built, ensuring the workers always have enough material without interruptions. The wall has been built up a bit, so the workers bring bricks directly onto the scaffolding. This method allows continuous construction, avoids interruptions, and maintains a steady workflow. The wall is continuously taking shape, with each brick carefully placed. It's exciting to watch the progress. Look everyone! The worker throws bricks onto the scaffolding skillfully, quick, neat, and saves a lot of effort compared to carrying each brick up step by step. She's small, yet her strength is admirable. Watching her transport bricks continuously while the wall builders work in rhythm is truly professional. On this side, a worker is using a shovel to lift mortar onto the scaffolding for his colleagues. Bricks continue to be lifted to the second floor using a pulley. This method is not only convenient, but also highly efficient, saving the workers' energy. In no time, the wall has been built nearly as high as the columns, and the structure is gradually becoming clear. The surrounding walls on the second floor are gradually being completed. From afar, today's progress is truly impressive. The workers tap each brick lightly when placing it, a method to check the mortar joints and the straightness of the wall. This ensures the wall is both sturdy and visually neat. Another exterior wall is beginning to be built. Thus, the construction progress on the second floor is continuous and very smooth. Do you see the 3 pipes protruding from the wall? These are plastic conduits for electrical wiring. Planning them early makes future electrical installation easier without additional drilling. From afar, the scene of everyone working together looks very professional. Proper task division ensures material transport and wall construction proceed efficiently, saving time and energy. Look, the worker is using a measuring tool to mark a straight line on the column. This is an important preparation step before building interior walls, which is harder than exterior walls due to limited space, requiring high precision. The corner bricks on both sides are the most important reference points. The guide string must be properly tensioned so each brick is placed accurately without misalignment. The interior walls are built as partitions, dividing the space into separate rooms. This makes the structure both solid and well organized. Here, the worker is shoveling materials into the concrete mixer to prepare a new batch. Proper proportioning and even mixing ensure the concrete is workable and strong enough for construction. Across the construction site, everyone is working non-stop, each focusing on their task, and the workflow is very rhythmic. Walls, columns, and partitions are gradually taking shape, and the second floor space is becoming clearly visible. On this partition wall, the worker uses a string with a weight, a classic method to check straightness in construction. This ensures the bricks are placed accurately and the wall is perfectly straight and balanced. Truly professional and meticulous, isn't it? After the inspection step, the worker confidently continues building. Building partition walls requires high precision, as they can easily become misaligned. Therefore, workers carefully check each step to ensure the walls are straight. That's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next episodes. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you next time.